Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and a very warm welcome if you're new. Today's video is a little bit different because normally I would wait until after showing you the entire process before revealing a finished doll. I usually take you through introducing the base doll, prepping the doll, doing the reroute, doing the face up, and making the clothes, before finally introducing you to the doll I made. In this case, a doll I made of my cousin and bestie, Bella Faye.
Hey everyone!
Bella is a fellow creative person and makes really cool videos here on YouTube, so be sure to check her out after this. So, why the sudden change in format, you may ask? Well, I interrupt your viewing pleasure today because of a super duper exciting announcement. We're starting a podcast! Bella and I are joining forces and starting what we like to call a vampire book club, where we discuss our favorite and least favorite vampire books. One of the things Bella and I bonded over as kids was our love of all things supernatural, particularly vampires. So, you can imagine my excitement when Bella came to me with the idea to start a podcast. I was stoked. Now we can share our love of all things fanged and spooky with all of you guys.
The first episode airs on Halloween, so if you don't want to miss that when it comes out, be sure to check the link in the description box. And go on ahead and subscribe to our shared channel so long.
We laughed a lot recording this episode, and we really enjoyed making it. And we hope that you'll enjoy it just as much as we did. So, what do you think? I'm quite happy with how many Bella came out in the end. This is the first time that I managed to root with yarn wefts without it going super thick and way too fluffy, which was a new triumph for me. If you like this doll, please consider showing your support and leaving a like or a comment, or subscribing to my channel, even though I didn't show you her full process this time. I did film some of it, so let me know in the comments down below if that's something you would like to see. If you're new and you like what you saw here, be sure to check out the other videos on my channel. I promise they go into all the finer details of the doll making process. I've also been working on a Magical Girl collab with Bella, and the video for that will hopefully be up real soon. It's gonna be great! So, boop that subscribe button, stick around, and as always, stay golden! Hope you all have a really great spooky season, and we'll catch you next time. Bye!